So our message to these foreign terrorist organizations is we will treat you like we have treated Al-Qaeda. We will find you, we will map your networks, we will hunt you down, and we will kill you. We know exactly who these people are. We know what networks they work with, what foreign terrorist organizations they're a part of. We know where they're going, where they originated from, what they're carrying. And they know we know. So the Department of War is not going to degrade or just simply arrest. We're going to defeat and destroy these terrorist organizations to defend the homeland on behalf of the American people, making the jobs of law enforcement safer in the process, making the communities of Americans safer in the process. We think it's a very core mission of the Department of War, and we're proud to be here, Mr. President.
Thank you very much, Pete.
I want to tell you that the agreement between the British and the Fulani has collapsed. And the only person that collapsed it is Trump. I want the world to understand this.
Anything that is wrong with this land, wrong with this state, and by extension wrong with our nation, we decree the foundation shall be visited. The foundation of our nation shall be visited. Any agreement the British people had with our founding fathers, that is a contrary agreement. Tonight, we decree the visitation shall correct our nation. Somebody shout power! And the foundation of your own family. Two big rivers in Nigeria met here. The Niger River and the Benue River. They merge together and flowed all the way down to the sea. Benue has only the Benue River. The eastern part they have only the Niger River. You have the two rivers together. And yet you are in the midst of very terrible heat.
Obodo kwesịrị zoo Nigeria. Lekwa Nigeria ma dosa ya Chineke nnadị ngosi. Onye ọbụla na-ekpe ekpere ka Nigeria wee wuru ofu nna nke Brexit ndị dị etu a wee laa ha n'iyi. Chineke nna kiwe biko da kiwe kpọọ ha ọkụ. Kpọọ ha ọkụ kpee ezinụlọ ha ọkụ.